Okay, so I'm going to just cover a little bit what we went over in class on Monday for the Monday students. This is review for Monday people, and so that the Wednesday people can kind of practice a little bit and get ready for class on Wednesday. We're going to be going over something called sighting, and sighting is the act of measuring in three-dimensional space, taking those measurements and applying them towards the drawing that you're working on, okay? And I'm going to shoot a second video, which is going to be our assignment for both classes, Monday and Wednesday. So I'll kind of explain further how sighting works in the process of making a drawing. But if you look at this skeleton right here, for example, if I were to measure that skeleton's head in actual life compared to the body, you would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, roughly 6.5. So 6.5 heads would make up the height of the skeleton. So the head is, there's 6.5 heads in proportion to the rest of the body. The way that you would measure that if you were drawing the skeleton is I would put the top of the eraser of the pencil on the top of the head and my thumb on the bottom of the chin, okay? As soon as I close one eye and sight that, I'm holding it now. I've got the top of the pencil on the top of the head, my thumb on the bottom of the head. Now I'm going to go ahead and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. 6.5 heads to fit the skeleton. Why does that matter? Because if I were doing a drawing of the skeleton, I could go check for accuracy. So I could either use it to help draw the skeleton, or I could try to draw the skeleton and then use that unit of measurement to go check and see if I've drawn that part accurately. And you can measure a leg compared to the torso, the arm compared to the leg. I mean, you could do any version of measurement that you want. We're going to take that idea and we're going to apply it towards a drawing that's going to involve some boxes. So that will be on the very next drawing. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. So make sure that you watch both videos. All right, see you in a minute.